Hey everybody, it's Lee at Carson City RV, and we've got something special today. This is a 2026 Forest River Stealth toy hauler. It's a big fifth wheel and it's got a lot of stuff. Let's take a look. Okay, it's 2026 Forest River Stealth SFF3300. It's a toy hauler and it's really big. Okay, let's talk about the dimensions on this thing. It's 33 feet, 10 inches in length. It's 8.5 feet wide, and it stands almost 14 feet tall, maybe a little bit taller than that with the AC units. And it has a gross vehicle weight of 16,555 pounds. So you're going to have a tow vehicle that's pretty robust that could handle it. And up front here, you do have a Lippard frame. So it's a heavy duty frame, and the hitch weight on this is about 2,600 pounds. So again, you're going to have a vehicle that really has a good robust payload and towing capacity. Up front here, you have this solid fiberglass cap, and they've redesigned it this year. It is actually it's less rounded, and you pick up a little bit more room in the bedroom on this because of that. And I'll show you how that works in a few minutes. Going around the side here, something that our factory rep actually pointed out to us is you do have the Lippard leveling system, and the front stabilizers are both independent of each other. And where that's important is, if you get, camping somewhere and it's really not level, you're going to be able to, level the coach out really easily. You do have slam latches on all of your cargo doors. Now this comes with an MPS 6000 Eco inverter generator. And the nice thing about this is they have a built-in line conditioner. Those of you that have had generators on your coaches, one of the things is you get, the power can be inconsistent. And that's one of the things that system does, is it gives you a nice clean stream of power, a very robust system. Talking about the construction, this is an aluminum frame with a vacuum bonded siding. What that is going to do is it's going to give you better R value when it comes to heating and cooling, and you're not going to have what they call delamination, which is something that happens that I see on a lot of the older coaches out there. So talking about the usual suspects on the side here, you do have your vent for your furnace, and you do have a standard tankless hot water heater. That's a 60,000 BTU setup. It's similar to what I have in my house. The tankless systems work really good. They heat up really fast and they give you unlimited hot water. You also have your drains over here on the side. Now let's talk a little bit about the suspension. This is a Moride CRE 3000 system. These are 7,000 pound axles, 16-inch tire setup on G-rated tires. So pretty much anything that you're going to put on the inside of the coach, you're going to be able to handle the weight of it. Now this system is also, the axles are flipped. And the reason why they did that is, you're going to see here when I go on the inside, is there are no wheel wells that protrude on the inside of the coach. And it gives you higher ground clearance. When you're towing, you're going down the dirt roads, maybe somewhere off-road. Really nice system. Now this ramp, I didn't measure it, but it's about 8 feet. It's 1,500 pound capacity when it's in this position, the party position. And then when you are loading and unloading, it does have a 3,000 pound capacity. So again, pretty much anything you're going to put in there, you're going to be able to handle it. You got this large awning that goes on the outside of the coach, and that does have an LED strip in it. You do have outdoor speakers on this coach. They are JBL and they are mounted underneath the coach. Again, you also have the Lippert jacks on the back here. And then this is your fuel station. The standard capacity for the fuel stations on the Stealths are 40 gallons. And then you do have the fuel level station here. Now, talking about where the tanks are mounted up underneath the frame, and they are enclosed. You have a sealed underbelly on this coach, so you can take it in cold weather and not have any issues. There's also what they call alumifoil, and that's actually like a space age insulating product that they have in the floor and the roof of this coach, and that's going to withstand extreme temperatures. Let's go take a look at the inside. Okay, going through the inside of the coach, it is beautiful. This is more like a luxury apartment than a travel trailer. Forest River did a really good design, work with the design on this. All of your cabinets have this inset glass that's framed in, and you do have the brass handles, which is really nice. I showed this in another video, but they also have this soft close feature. Integrated JBL audio sound system, and again, those speakers, you do have them in the ceiling, and they're also mounted underneath the coach. You do have a 5100 BTU fireplace, which is really nice to take the chill out of the morning air. Big screen TV, and then these beautiful recliners here that, they're pretty much the most comfortable thing ever. I'd like to get some of those for my house. All of your tie downs are rated at 5,000 pounds, and you do have several of them, and they go all the way up to where the fridge is up front here. So pretty much anything that you want to put in this coach is going to fit. I think it's a solid 14 feet of garage space, so it's a very, very large open system. You do have the bed that comes down from the ceiling there. That's a full-size bed, and then you do have the convertible bed there that's part of your dinette area. So you do have an alumifoil on the floor and in the roof for additional insulation. Now, as far as the heating and cooling is concerned, up top here you've got a 15,000 BTU AC unit that's ducted. And then you also have a separate 15,000 BTU unit inside the bedroom. All of your appliances are residential. You have a 3-burner residential style cooktop, along with a 1.5 cubic feet Furrion convection microwave oven. So whatever you want to cook, you're going to be able to. Over here you have a oversized farmhouse style stainless steel sink. And then also down here, you can't really see it on the video, but you also pick up some LED lighting underneath the cabinets. Super nice touch that Forest River did there. You have 10.9 cubic foot refrigerator, and that is 12 volts, so that's going to run right off the battery. So if you're camping off grid, you're not going to have any problems. Going back here into the bedroom area. Okay, so going back into the king size suite area. This is beautiful. So you do have a king size bed, which is kind of unheard of in the RV world, but it is a residential style size king size bed. You do have power and USB outlets on both sides of the bed. So if you got cell phones, you got CPAP machines, whatever you're gonna need, they're there. And it doesn't seem like a big deal, but you do have on both sides of the bed this little counter there to put your stuff on. Really nice touch. Again, lots of storage here and lots of storage here. And again, you have that other 15,000 BTU AC unit and a real closet inside this suite. And then over here, you do have your full-size bathroom. And your fixtures are full-size. You have the same type of cabinets. Those are also soft close as well. Porcelain foot flush toilet. Doesn't seem like a big deal, but cleaning a porcelain toilet is a lot easier than a plastic one. Full-size shower enclosure, and it is one piece. And then instead of having a shower curtain or a glass door, you have this really nice waterproofed retractable curtain, which saves a lot of room on space And you know, if you're about 6 foot tall, that's a good size shower for just about anybody. So there you have it, the 2026 Forest River Stealth SFF3300 fifth wheel toy hauler. It's a mouthful, right? Listen, this is a fantastic coach with a lot of features, and I've only scratched the surface of it. It would be a fantastic RV to take cross country and make memories with. Let's talk a little bit about the price. Full list price on this unit is $102,034. But here at Carson City RV, we don't believe in selling anything for full list price. Get in touch with me. All of my information's down there in the description. It's our #1 goal here at Carson City RV to fit the price and or monthly payment into your budget. And we want to make you feel comfortable about the process. So don't forget to hit like and subscribe. I'm going to be doing new videos every week on just about any RV I can get my hands on. So until next time, we'll catch you on the next one, and goodbye.